Day 20, Apostles, 12-hour Phethora Fitness workout. This apostle of apostles divine, fast faith fitness ministry. Out here on my Phethora workout. That's a 12-hour fitness workout on day 20 of my strict strict fast. Out here walking and dancing and riding a bike, an assortment of exercise on my 20th day of fasting on nothing but purely apostles, organic, healthy healing juices, fasting away every known negative spirit and rebuilding and remolding and redefining my anatomy, where I'm arming myself with excessive amounts of protection from diseases and foreign agents from ever entering into my body and into my spirit, and maintaining a full bill of health, and inviting everyone on the planet to embrace a healthy lifestyle of fasting, fitness, and faith, and incorporate it and be consistent in building your life on a good foundation. And a good solid foundation will withstand all storms. It's like the stories that we were told growing up in childhood of three pigs. One pig building their house with straws, trying to protect itself from a vicious wolf. A second pig built his house made out of wood, and in the same spirit, in the same notion, protected itself from the vicious wolf. And then there's the third pig that had to protect itself against the same vicious wolf. Therefore, that pig built his house out of solid brick. So, as the story goes, the wolf, vicious wolf, came and visited each pig. First, the pig whose house was made out of straw. And as the story goes, he huffed and he puffed and he blew the house in. Moving on to pig 2. House made of wood. Huffed and puffed, blew that pig's house away. And just like with pig 1, he ate it and devoured it. Pig 3. Knock, knock. Who is it? It's the big bad wolf. In fact, the big bad vicious wolf. Let me in. No, I refuse, said the pig. He said, let me in. I'm gonna huff and puff and blow your house in. I've already huffed and puffed and blew the house in of your 2 siblings. And what delicious meal they were. So he huffed and he puffed and he huffed and he puffed and he huffed and he puffed. Eventually, he ran out of puffing. Well, that's the same when it comes to building your house against storms and vicious wolves. When they huff and puff, your house will not be made out of straw or out of wood. It will be made out of a solid foundation. So the moral to the story is, build your house on fasting, faith, and fitness. And when these big bad wolves come, in the name of diabetes, kidney failure, liver breakdown, lymphatic issues, high cholesterol, high blood pressure, gouty, arthritis, and cancer. They will huff and puff, and to no avail. They will not blow your house down. This is apostille of apostille divine, fast faith, fitness, ministry. And as always, I'm back by divine source on day 20 of the Strict Strict disease buster, disease maintaining and healing fast on a plethora of divine, working on 12 hours of maintaining health and disease-free living on day 20 of the Strict Strict Fast. Surviving on apostille's divine, healthy healing juices. Keep the big bad, vicious wolf away from my house. And when it comes, it's huffing and puffing. Will not move a solid, rooted house that's made out of stone. Apostille of apostille's divine, fast faith, fitness, ministry. You have the means and you have the power. Apostille of apostille's divine, fast faith, fitness, healing ministry. You have the power. You have the means.